welcome to Honolulu with that smooth landing. I'd like to mention that the time is 11:20 a.m. That's Hawaiian time. Remember to turn back your clock 3 hours by Pacific time, so it is 11:20. We will be taxiing for a few minutes, so we ask that you please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened. Once the plane has come to get a complete stop, then you can get up and retrieve your luggage or any items that you have above in the bin. However, have caution when opening that overhead compartment, since packages, luggage might have shifted and we don't want it to land on your head or that of a seatmate. On behalf of United Airlines, your cockpit crew today, and your San Francisco flight crew, and all 80,000 employees from United, we'd like to thank you for choosing United today. We realize without you as a customer, we would not be United Airlines, so thank you. If Honolulu is your home, welcome home. If you're visiting this beautiful island, have a wonderful and magical time. And if you're going to the other magical islands, have a great time as well. We look forward to bringing you back to the mainland very shortly soon. And do consider us on all your other plans. Thank you. For passengers who were given those life vests for their infants, please leave those behind. They're part of our emergency equipment and will be used on the return flight. The flight attendants are returning back to San Francisco within an hour. Thank you again and have a great day. Mahalo. Flight attendants prepare door arrival.